Officer, are you hiding snacks in that round belly?
No, Polly. I'm having a baby.
I'm gonna be a father?
No, that's your brother, genius.
Great. Another mouth to share crackers with.
Officer, that belly's smuggling more than donuts. You knock over a bakery?
Negative, Polly. It's a human. Due in 6 weeks.
6 weeks? I've been on probation longer than that gestation.
Relax, Featherbrain. You're not the baby daddy, unless there's something you both ain't telling us.
Cruelty to animals. I'm filing a report.
Practicing for date night?
Training mishap.
Smooth excuse, officer.
Want to help or joke?
Helping emotionally.
Preparing for interrogation or admiration?
Just hydrating.
Your lips or the suspect's heart?
You need a new case.
Found one. Case of attraction?
You really do.
Why so quiet?
Professional setting.
And why's everyone blushing?
Polly.
Public confession achieved. That's not standard issue.
My wife made it. Evidence of affection.
Delicious.
Want a bite? Ah,
Conflict of interest. Also,
yes. Worth it.
wait the evidence.
Not evidence. Cookies.
Sweetest confession ever.
You're impossible.
Guilty. With crumbs.
Oh, man.
That badge shines, like you're meeting someone special.
Just taking pride in work.
Or trying to outshine competition.
Jealous, Polly?
No, just observant and fabulous.
What are we watching?
Suspect meeting.
They're holding hands.
It's not relevant.
Love is always relevant.
Who packed this heart-shaped sandwich?
Someone kind.
Romantic evidence found.
You're reading too much into food.
Love's my favorite flavor.
Oh, classified romance?
That's not evidence.
Then it's evidence of love.
Return to sender, Polly.
Too late. I'm the mailman of gossip.
Secret admirer alert.
Could be from a coworker.
Or undercover admirer.
You've been watching too many dramas.
No, just real life.
Wardrobe malfunction or evidence of affection?
Laundry incident.
Sure. Or passionate escape?
Stick to peanuts, detective.
I prefer spicy drama.
You're blushing.
No, I'm not.
Then why is your face confessing?
Polly, not every smile's a crime.
Then I'm filing it under cute misdemeanors.
So, whose shirt smells like perfume?
That's fabric softener.
Mm-hmm. Soft and mysterious.
Ha! Oh, you're something else. Why's the radio tuned to love songs?
It's traffic hour.
Then why's your face smiling like that?
Coincidence.
Or confession?
Ha!
Why are you smiling at those reports?
They're old cases.
Or old crushes?
Not even close.
Focus, Polly. We're watching for the diamond fence, not your Tinder date.
Negative! That bulge in his coat, definitely not a gun. Too happy to see us.
Christ, Bird. You'll get us all fired or promoted to vice.
Plot twist. The real crime's her bladder. Soon as I finish...
Romantic dinner?
It's just me.
So, self-love case?
You talk too much.
Guilty. With charm. Parrot. Yeah,
That's not your color, officer.
Parrot.
From who?
Just a friend.
A very stylish friend.
This cup's got evidence.
That's my wife's.
Sure, or an undercover date.
She's undercover as my wife.
Plot twist accepted.
What's the suspect's motive? Crime of passion. My favorite.
Stayed out of the files.
Too late. I'm emotionally involved.
Those look shiny.
Standard maintenance.
Or date preparation.
Professional polish.
Romantically professional.
Extra sugar again?
Rough night.
With paperwork or people?
Paperwork.
Paperwork doesn't leave lipstick.
Perps exiting. Hands in pockets. Either nervous or hiding the last Boston cream.
Eyes up, Polly. That's a felony sprinkle violation.
Negative! Intel says he's the glaze runner, launders diamonds and custard filling.
Bert, one more pun and I'll book you for impersonating a carb.
Sarge's gut's been on a 20-year donut bender. His
You smell suspiciously good today.
It's deodorant.
Scent of justice or jealousy?
It's lemon.
Tangy betrayal.
Two people holding hands on cam 3.
Stay focused.
They're breaking the law of attraction.
You're hopeless.
No, just a romantic surveillance expert.
Confess, scumbag. Where's the loot?
talk or I eat your alibi.
That's crueler interrogation.
I'll talk. Just don't let the bird near my evidence tampered.
Good cop, bad cop, glazed cop.
Case closed. Hole in one.
Evidence of affection found. That's from training day. Training hearts, clearly. You're incorrigible. Flirting's my jurisdiction.
Sharing half again?
She's late.
She? I knew it.
Colleague?
Colleague with condiments of romance.
Just eat your piece, detective.
Nice mug. Romantic evidence.
Secret Santa gift.
Ah, the Santa of feelings.
Santa's fired.
Love crimes never close, officer.
Yeah. Well, still off duty.
Stop me during interrogation.
I'm emotional support.
For who?
The snacks, they get nervous.
Unbelievable. Writing another report.
End of shift log.
Looks poetic.
It's data.
Data with feelings.
This report says, charming personality.
That's witness description.
Sounds like your type.
Drop it.
Never. Freedom of speech.
Those aren't regulation.
Gift.
From a suspect of style?
Friend.
Friend with fashionable benefits.
Some perks are worth the paperwork.
Who gave you the rose?
Secret admirer. I know that. Classified?
Romantic cold case it is.
You gave her a warning instead of a ticket.
She smiled politely.
Smiles reduce fines now?
Public relations.
Public romance, you mean?